Jindal Steel and Power Limited is a leading player in steel, power, mining, oil and gas, infrastructure. With annual turnover of 17,500 crore rupees, is a part of the 75,000 crore rupees diversified OP Jindal Group. JSPL's state-of-the-art rail mill at Raigarh manufactures 121-meter long rails, one of the longest in the world. It is equipped with flash butt welding plant for welding longer rails of 240-meter to 480-meter length. JSPL has obtained the Advanced Universal Rail Rolling Technology from SMS Mir, Germany. This universal rolling technology has many advantages over the conventional rolling, like higher productivity, higher rail temperature, low roll wearing, easy to control dimensions and asymmetry in the rail and line, compact arrangement and short layout, high automation to control the parameters, etc. Our straightening machine, only one of its kind in the country, enables us to produce improved straightness in rails and ensure dimensional accuracy and uniform mechanical properties. All the rails rolled at RUBM match these quality certifications. RDSO from Indian Railways, BSI London for quality, Environmental Management System. 260-meter rail panels can be directly supplied from this plant to the dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India or DFCCIL, thereby eliminating on-site long rail welding facilities and ensuring less damage in handling, reduction of joints in tracks, enhanced safety, better quality control and reduced track laying costs. Rails of 86 meters length or more can be rolled, which will then be flash butt welded to form a single rail of 260 meters. The hot rails will be transferred to the cooling bed, followed by stacking the rails in the loading area. Once these rails have cooled down and inspected, they will be loaded onto specially modified rakes. This loading will be done with the help of multiple overhead cranes installed along the length of the rail line, covering the cooling bed, stacking area and railway line. These specially modified rakes will be fitted with special fixtures for securing the rails. Loading up to 5 stacks is possible, with each stack having 13 rows.
JSPL has pioneered many innovative steel products and has been contributing significantly to the nation's steel production.